Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the recovery tab won't open on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So you will right click on start button, select settings, go to system, scroll down and you wish to click on recovery but it doesn't open. So obviously a person will suggest that for a cloud download you can try the safe mode method, but that's a workaround, not a solution. It's not a permanent solution. Okay. So, first of all, install every pending update. I'll tell you later why, but I'll tell you the procedure first. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. The reason is that if a lot of security updates are pending, then such processes will halt because of security issues on the system. So make sure that you have downloaded each and every pending update. Next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will invoke the SFC scan. The last one is a check the scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.